Hello, everyone. Welcome to Philosophy and Education. This is our third lesson or third class. And I guess that by doing last class activity, the multiple choice form, you did realize that self-sufficiency, autarkia in ancient Greek, gets bigger in the city than in the house. Well, this is because in the city, there are an awful lot of much more people and service provider. The exercise now is to go in reverse. Let's imagine that we have to build a city from its very beginning, from its very start. We will start from the very scratch in the proper sense. We're going back into a state of nature, as if we were back to our ancestors, to our cavemen, in a very natural state. This is going to be our final task today, but in that sense, let me present you some questions anticipating our reading today. Our reading today is going to be on the politics again. Okay, let's see what's on the screen. Imagine that you are in a step of the evolution ladder in which nomadic life has just stopped. What would be the first association to be formed? What kind of dwelling that first association would be once settled? How will you sustain that dwelling? Do you consider self-sustainment enough and proper? What social and cultural activities will you perform indoors? Do you consider these activities sufficient to get yourself fully pleased and easy-minded? What does a man do next to compensate what the house lacks? Okay, next you're gonna find a form that you have to fill in and complete with these questions. See you in the next tape, in the next presentation, and bye-bye.